Hi, just wanted to give you a tour of the greenhouse pop can furnace controlled by a Raspberry Pi, which I have installed in here. And you can see that there's a display. I'll talk about that in a minute. The battery is for the fan that is running, heating the greenhouse, sucking the hot air out of the pop can furnace. And you can see that I have a backup charger in case my solar does not have enough energy. So on the display we see today's mins, maxes inside, and they are not correct because I had the pop can furnace turned off. Inside temperature, there's 5 probes altogether. Outside temperature, what it is right now, the pop can furnace is inside is 38.44 and the output is 33.5, so I'm getting quite a high return rate. The solar mass is the bricks that are right in front of me, and we're back to the solar to the mins and maxes. Solar mass is a bunch of paving stones that my brother and I built into a solar mass, and you can see that it has an output of hot air. This is quite hot coming out of there, and it heats up the bricks. Now I think I will make an improvement so that the output of the pop can goes through the bricks, and instead of just heating up the greenhouse and being sucked back into the pop can, I'm going to make a header so that the output is sucked directly back into the pop can furnace, and therefore it's not going to heat up the interior of the greenhouse directly, but it's going to increase the temperature of the bricks. As you see at this end, I have a header so that the output of the fan, which is sucking out of the pop can furnace, is directed down the output, or I should say the holes that I have of the length of the actual solar mass. Raspberry Pi automatically starts the program in case of power outage. I can connect to it from the house, and I can program it from in the house, and it records the data and stores the data. So the outside of the greenhouse, you can see that I have a solar panel that's charging the battery, and the solar can, or I should say the pop can furnace, is a bunch of pop cans that are attached together, header and header for the input, header for the output, and they are of course connected up, and that is very, very efficient as far as the heat transfer, because the pop cans are painted black and they're very thin aluminum. So you can see that our temperature, our manual gauge, we're getting out of our pop can is almost 35 degrees Celsius, or 32 or so, and the temperature outside is only 14 degrees that we looked at. I have the temperature probes here that are installed. You can see it here. I have one here, I have one buried inside the solar mass, I have one on the output, and one on the outside, and one of the inside of the pop can furnace. Anyways, I'll keep you up to date. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye-bye.